Today, we're going to talk about the vocabulary again. And we're going to look first at the addition sentence, which is a group of numbers that includes an addition sign. Right there. And an equal sign. And just like a written sentence, okay? So 1 plus 1 equals 2. It's a complete thought. 1 and 1 is 2. And that's the addition sentence. Now, in order for us to have an addition sentence, we have the add-ins, which is the numbers being added. Okay, or digits. So we have 5 plus 3 plus 2, any of these numbers in between there, they're the add-ins. See how it has the add-ins and it has the little arrow? Okay, so we go on to add. Okay, and if we add something together, we combine or put it together, 2 or more quantities. Okay, so there's 2. This one has 3. See, 1, 2, 3 of them? Okay. Now, we look at plus, which is kind of the same thing as add. And plus is a symbol that shows addition, combine, okay, put together 2 or more qualities. So we're combining or putting together 1 and 1, and we're coming up with 2. Or up here, we're adding or combining those 2 numbers, 2 and 3, and we're coming up with 5. Okay, now, let's get our number sentence back there. Okay, now we get to here, and we see is equal to. Okay, we have the add-ins. And then, at the end, we have 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. Or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, it's having the same amount, size, or number, or value. So, right now, we're going to see just this. But sometimes we might have 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. So whatever is on either side is going to be the same, or the same size, same amount, or same number value. Okay, now, next thing is the sum. And when you add 3 plus 2, you got the equal to, and 5 is the answer to the problem for addition. Okay, sum is only going to be for addition. So the sum of 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, now we're getting into something a little bit different. Okay, and that is 0. When you have 0, it has no value. There's nothing there. If you notice this little line here, if it was 1, 1 space would be filled in. But 0 has nothing, so there's no spaces. It says a whole number that tells there are no objects in a set. Okay, and the next one is order. Okay, and that is a sequence or arrangement of things, which is really a complicated definition. Okay, so if we have 4 plus 1 equals 5, and you see there's 4 and then there's your 1, it can also be the same if you have the 1 in the front and the 4 after it. So you can do 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. They're both going to equal 5. And over here, you have 3 plus 2. You could have 2 plus 3. They're still going to equal 5. And that's one of the things with order. With addition, okay, on either side of the plus sign, it's going to be, you can have it in any order that you want. And that's today's vocabulary.